Hi friends, thank you very much for clicking ABC Learning English Solution. Friends, today on this podcast we're gonna discuss about the usage of used to in English sentences. My dear friends, this term used to, it is widely used in English sentences. Basically in spoken English, it is widely used. In some particular situation, we use this term used to. Here I have written one example. You can look at this example. He used to play football. My dear friends, obviously you can understand this is the past form. This is the past form of this verb. Actually, this is not a tense. We cannot call it a tense. But my dear friends, it is used in English sentences just like a tense. My dear friends, if you ask me what kind of tense is it, we have to say only past tense. Only past. And we cannot classify this tense particularly. That means we cannot say past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. We cannot define it. It is just like a past tense and it is accepted. Maybe it's not a tense, but this is a structure which is used for past tense only. At first you have to write down the subject, then the term used to, then the present form or the base form of the verb, and then the object, or you can say the complement. So my dear friends, if we wanna make it negative, we have to write down in this one. He used to play football. We have to write down he didn't, then used to play football. That means he didn't used to play football. Actually, my dear friends, we cannot write down used to here, because we have to maintain the subject verb agreement. Here we are doing the same thing. In this form, here we are using this form. Used to is used here. That's why we have to use used to. Sometimes you can see that each and everywhere after negative, after didn't, some of the cases you can see that it is written used to, but we should not do it. We have to know the proper system. This is the proper system. We have to use used to here. Now the fact is that when to use this structure, this is the main thing. My dear friends, I think you can understand the structure of these sentences. Now we have to know when to use this structure. My dear friends, we use this structure. That means used to then do something. We use this structure to talk about an activity that we did regularly in the past time. Here, this sentence, it means he used to play football. Here it means this subject played football regularly in the past time. Maybe when he was a boy, at that time he used to play football regularly. That means it was his habit. But right now this is not true. Right now this activity is not done by this subject. My dear friends, I think you can understand the meaning. It was the past habit of this subject. Obviously, it has been stopped. That means it is not true right now. Now he does not play football. I think, my dear friend, the meaning is clear to you. Or we can use this in a situation only to inform that was true in the past. The situation, we can say the situation where the activity was true in the past, but right now it is not true. I just told you the sentence, he used to Suppose the sentence is I used to go to the market. Think about this sentence. It means here the subject is I. I used to go to the market. It means in a past time. Suppose we are here. This is the right moment. In past time, we used to go to the market. Here, this activity was true. This sentence was true. It was my habit. Each and every day I used to go to the market. But right now, here, this is the right time. This is the right moment. Here, we do not go to the market. That means now I do not go to the market. That means this sentence is not true right now. In this situation, we can use the term used to. Only we use the term used to with those activities which were earlier performed by me. Right now, we are not doing this activity. That means this activity to play football, it was my past habit. I used to play football when I was child or when I was a boy, but right now I am a young man. Right now I do not play football. My dear friends, I think the situation is clear to you and you can use this term in your regular conversation or even in your writing. So my dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.